Dear students, you see, this is a cat and there is a dog. Cat's name is Kitty and dog's name is Bravo. Today we shall read a story that is related to Kitty and Bravo in your book, and the story is, as you know, that story is, did I make a promise? As you know, in your book this story has been given. In the good old days, cats and dogs were friends. Dog that you are seeing, its name was Bravo and cat's name was Kitty. Both were, it means Kitty and Bravo were good friends. Generally, cats and dogs do not live together, as we see, but Bravo and Kitty usually played together, lived together, and they had a very good time together. Bravo often used to tell Kitty, "You are very pretty," and Kitty would say, "You are very handsome." Before going to sleep, Kitty and Bravo kissed each other. One day, Bravo and Kitty both went to their master. Master's name was Kamla Prasad, and they said that we love you, we guard your house, we kill the rats in your house, so you should give us fresh meat every day. Kamla Prasad did not spend a lot of money on their food, and he asked, "Do you want meat every single day?" On it, they said that we want you to sign an agreement, and an agreement was signed by their master that they will get meat every day. But when the agreement was signed by Kamla Prasad, as you see, Kitty took that very agreement and kept that agreement in the cupboard. It so happened that after some days it was not possible for Kamla Prasad to provide them meat, and again they were provided general food, and they were stopped giving the meat. So Kitty and Bravo went to Kamla Prasad and said that you have forgotten your promise. You should give us meat every day. In it, Kamla Prasad asked that I had promised you for it. They said yes. And to show it, Kitty went to bring the agreement paper that was kept in the cupboard. But mice chewed the agreement, and when Kitty returned, that time Kitty had no agreement. Kamla Prasad said, "No agreement, no meat." On it, Bravo became very angry, and he told Kitty that you are very careless. Due to you, now it is not possible for us to eat meat. Kitty also became very angry, and blazing her eyes, Kitty asked, "Did you bite my tail?" "Yes," growled Bravo. And the Bravo said that I shall also bite your nose. On it, Kitty screamed and took a few steps forward. She quickly ran and climbed a tree. From that very time, dogs and cats are enemies. Dogs chase cats and cat run away, and from that day cats have hated mice. So this is the cause that dogs and cats became enemies. By this story, the storyteller wants to tell that if there is a mistake while doing your work and you are careless in your work, that time your friendship may convert into enmity, as it converted for Kitty and Bravo. So whenever you are doing your work, you must be careful, and if you are careful, you will not feel any problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.